So, there are the next topic in the unit number one is viscosity and its measurement. We are going to the sliding contact bearing. In sliding contact bearing, all things related to the oils and lubrications and all this thing. Let's see what is viscosity and its measurements also. On this thing in fluid mechanics also, but that small review is there. We know that viscosity is defined as an internal frictional resistance offered by a fluid to change its shape or relative motion of its a frictional resistance offered by a fluid to change its shape or relative motion of its part. This is important. It is a frictional resistance. That means layer to layer friction is there, and if the layers are more viscous is the fluid. Now measurement of viscosity, we don't have any type of meter in all these things. It is done with the help of some experiment. So based on some common experiment which is done by Sebolt. Where is the cursor? Okay, here. Sebolt, Redwood, and Engler. These three commercial viscometers have been developed by these three scientists. So, based on this, we can judge the viscosity of a fluid. Now, Sebolt is the universal viscosity meter and it is widely used in USA. Redwood is used in UK and Engler viscometer in Indian subcontinent. In this way, it is used. Now we are going to see about the Saybolt Universal Viscometer. So what did Saybolt do? He did he take one 60 centimeter cube of lubricating oil, okay, and he passed through a capillary tube of a mentioned dimension also. The dimension of that is standard, and the time is measured in seconds, and the temperature is remain constant for all these things because as temperature increases, viscosity decreases. And as temperature decreases, viscosity increases. So this is the things here. So this capillary tube of proper dimension is maintained and 60 centimeter oil is passed. So whatever time it is being taken, based on that Say will decide one formula, and this was the formula, that is zk equal to 0.22 t minus 180 by t. T is nothing but the time, and zk is the kinematic viscosity in centistokes. It's the unit. So the kinematic viscosity is defined as the ratio of absolute viscosity to the density of lubricant. Therefore, it is being denoted by Z upon rho. Okay, absolute viscosity to the density of lubricant. This is the density and this is the absolute viscosity. Okay, this is here and this is here. Okay, you get this? Next slide. Now rho is the density as we know that, and gram per centimeter cube. So the very simpler principle is used in Redwood viscometer also, that is 50 centimeter cube of lubricating oil is passed. See, so there is some difference through a capillary tube of specific dimension and time is measured in terms of Redwood second. In previous we used Sebolt, Sebolt seconds. Okay. In angular viscometer, the viscosity is measured in terms of angular degree, which is ratio of time taken by the oil to the time taken by water at the same temperature. So it is done with the help of comparison with the water, oil and water comparison there in Engler. So this is how the viscosity is there and this is how we measure. These are the three methods. Okay, I think you understand all these things. If you have any problem, you can contact me. Thank you.